I'm Michael Leonard, president and owner of QC Signs and Graphics. 4 years ago, I had a vision of a professional corporate website that would attract large business and government clients. Measure Marketing did exactly that, turning my vision into a reality. Measure Marketing worked with us to build a dynamic website and created targeted campaigns, along with social media management, to attract the customers we wanted. Within months of launching our website, we saw results faster than I literally could have imagined. Originally, most of our leads came from paid searches, pay-per-click. Over time, that flipped. Today, 85% of our leads come from organic searches. Less than 15% of our leads come from paid ads. That has generated more profit and reduced our cost as we've grown. In 2020, our first full year in business, we saw over 2,000 individual visitors to our website. By 2022, that number had grown to over 12,000. That fact has helped double our business 3 years in a row. By the end of year 3, we had already exceeded our 7-year original plan. From expanding restaurant chains to large churches, I've had many clients personally tell me they specifically picked our company because of our website. 2 years ago, the website helped us land our first city contract. This year, we turned that into a multi-year, multi-million-dollar deal that would have never had the opportunity without the partnership, the content, and the expertise of Measure Marketing. Throughout our region, you can find our advertising graphics on trains, buses, streetcars, and train stations. It's been just over 4 years since we opened and launched our website, and we are on pace to exceed our original 10-year sales plan. Measure Marketing's website creation, SEO, and content management continue to be an integral part of our growth. As the owner of QC Signs and Graphics, I highly recommend Measure Marketing.